I want you to try a little thought experiment with me. Just picture your morning routine.
Okay.
It's early. You're still kind of groggy. You go into the bathroom, you brush your teeth, maybe hop in the shower. You turn a handle, water just appears. And then when you're done, it just vanishes.
It just goes away like magic.
Exactly. You flush the toilet, and with this swirl and a gurgle, it's gone. It's gone. We treat it like magic. But, looking at the sources we have today, it is very clearly not magic. It's a machine.
Oh, it is absolutely a machine. A really elegant one, too. It's gravity-fed. It's balanced by atmospheric pressure, and it runs 24/7 inside your walls with not a single motor.
And that is exactly what we are digging into today. We're looking at the unsung hero that makes all of modern hygiene possible, the DWV system.
Which stands for drain, waste, and vent.
We're basing this whole deep dive on a technical breakdown we found from Plum Talk, and it's this really comprehensive guide for residential installers. And I have to say, reading it, I realized I've been taking my walls completely for granted.
Well, most people do. I mean, until it stops working.
Right.
And then it becomes the only thing you can think about.
So our mission today is to, metaphorically, strip the drywall off the house and just look at this highway system inside. We're going to try to understand the physics, the chemistry, and the surprisingly precise math that keeps sewer gas out of your bedroom.
And that's a very real threat. I think people forget that the only thing separating you from the city sewer is a little bit of water and some really clever engineering.
So let's start with the name, DWV. Drain, waste, vent. I think most people, myself included, kind of assume drain and waste are, synonyms.
Yeah, just dirty water.
Right. But the source makes a really sharp distinction, doesn't it?
Oh, they're very distinct. In the trade, mixing them up is it's a rookie mistake. Drain refers to what we call gray water.
This is the relatively clean stuff.
Relatively, yeah. It's water from your sink, your shower, your washing machine. I mean, it has soap in it, maybe some hair, but physically, it's just a liquid. It flows like water.
Okay, so waste is the heavy hitter.
Waste lines, or what the old-timers in the trade call soil lines, they handle the solids. This is pretty much all coming from water closets.
Water closets. I love how formal the plumbing code is. We mean toilets.
We mean toilets. But, the distinction matters because the physics of moving a solid through a pipe with only gravity is, well, it's totally different than just moving liquid.
You need different pipes.
Different pipe sizes, and you have to respect the flow completely differently.
And we were definitely going to get into that flow math because it's honestly counterintuitive. But, okay, so we have D for drain, W for waste. That leaves V vent.
The secret sauce.
This was the biggest wait what moment for me in the reading. I get that pipes go down, gravity pulls water down, but why on earth do we need pipes that go up?
Because your pipes need to breathe.
Breathe, like lungs.
Kinda. Think about it this way. You've taken a straw, right? You put it in a drink, you put your finger over the top hole, and then you lift it out.
Sure, and the liquid stays in the straw.
Why?
Because...
Basically, yeah. It's atmospheric pressure. The air outside is pushing up. And because no air can get in from the top to replace the liquid, gravity loses.
Okay, yeah, I'm with you.
Now just imagine your main sewer pipe is that straw. You flush a toilet, that's a slug of water and waste, maybe 1.6 gallons, rushing down the pipe. It acts like a piston. As it drops, it creates this massive vacuum behind it.
So it's trying to pull air in from somewhere to fill the space it just left.
Exactly. Nature abhors a vacuum. So if you don't have a vent pipe going up to the roof to let fresh air in, that vacuum is going to pull air from the path of least resistance.
And that path is...
your P-traps.
Right.
That little U-shaped bit of pipe under your sink, the vacuum will literally slurp the water right out of it.
So a flush downstairs could actually suck the water out of a sink upstairs.
Happens all the time in houses that are vented badly. You hear that gurgle in the sink when you flush a toilet.
Oh, I always thought that was the sound of water moving.
Nope. That gurgle is the sound of air being violently pulled through the water in your trap. It is the sound of the system failing. And once that water's gone...
the seal is broken.
And the smell comes in, the methane, the bacteria. The source is very clear on this. The trap seal is the most critical safety feature in the whole system. Without a vent to protect it, the trap is useless.
That's wild, that we have this whole network of pipes going up to the roof just to protect a little cup of water under the sink.
It's a balancing act. You're balancing the downward force of waste with the downward flow of air. If they don't match, the whole system it chokes.